Hi everyone, this is Easy Math. In this video, we are going to do class 8 mathematics. The topic is powers and exponents, in which exercise 1.6. We have seen about the introduction and laws of exponents in the previous video. Now using those laws, let us do this exercise. Okay, the first question, fill in the blanks. -1 power even integer. -1, the base is negative, but if the power is an even number, that is, we are multiplying minus sign even number of times. What is an even number of times? We multiply minus sign 2 times, 4 times, 6 times, 8 times. So when you multiply a negative sign even number of times, answer is always positive. So it is positive. We put plus and VE, it is positive. Okay. Next, for a not equal to 0, a power 0 is, we know the base can be positive or negative. When the power is 0, the answer, the value is 1. Always when the power is 0, the value of that exponent is 1. Okay, now look at this. 4 power minus 3 into 5 to the power minus 3. Which rule can we use here? The bases are different, but the powers are same. So what can we can combine the bases. Bases multiplication. So it is 4 into 5, the whole power minus 3. Okay. Combine the bases with the multiplication sign. And for both the powers, we write one common power. Now what is the first thing to be done? Inside the brackets. 4 5s are 20 to the power minus 3. 4 5s are 20 and power minus 3. Now, power is negative. How to change the negative power into positive power? To change negative to positive, yes, we have to write the reciprocal of the base. 20 means it is 20, the base is 20 and the power is minus 3. So 20 means 20 by 1. So what is the reciprocal? 1 by 20. So if you put 1 by 20, then the negative power, that is minus 3, becomes plus 3. Now next is minus 2 power minus 7. That is, we have to change the negative power into positive power, just as we did for 20. Write the reciprocal of the base. Minus 2 is the base. Minus 7 is the power. What is reciprocal? Interchanging numerator and denominator. But there is only numerator. What is the denominator? By 1. Now reciprocal of minus 2 by 1 is minus 1 by 2. Please remember children, when you write the reciprocal, the sign will not change. Minus 2 is minus only, 2 by 1 becomes 1 by 2. Now we have written the reciprocal, therefore the negative power will become positive power. Minus 7 becomes plus 5. And look at this, minus 1 by 3, the whole power minus 5. How to change minus 5 to plus 5? Write the reciprocal of the base. When you are writing the reciprocal, sign will not change. Minus as it is. 1 by 3 is 3 by 1. 2 by 1 is 1 by 2. And 1 by 3 is 3 by 1. 3 by 1 is nothing but 3. When you divide 3 divided by 1, answer is 3 itself. So minus 3 whole power. When you are writing the reciprocal, negative power will become positive. Minus 5 becomes plus 5. Got it? We'll move on to second question. It is true or false. First question is 8 power x is equal to 1 by 64. Then the value of x is minus 2. First of all, we should write this 64 as a power of 8 because the left hand side is power of 8. Base is 8. So write 64 also as the power of 8 with base 8. So let us write 8 power x is equal to 1 by 64 is nothing but 8 square. So if you are thorough with the square tables from 1 to 20, these sums become very easy, children. As soon as you see 64, you should think, yes, 8 8s are 64. 8 square is 64. Now both the bases are same. But here 8 is on the numerator. Here 8 is the denominator. We have to bring it to the numerator. So when you bring it to the numerator, what happens? The power plus 2 becomes minus 2. From the numerator, if you bring it to denominator also, the sign changes. From the denominator, if you take it to numerator also, the sign changes. 8 square is the denominator. When you take it to the numerator, it becomes 8 power minus 2. Now compare this. 8 power x equal to 8 power minus 2. Bases are same. Therefore, even the powers should be same. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2. The answer is correct. This is true. Okay. Same way we'll try the next one. The simplified form of 256 the whole power minus 1 by 4 into 4 square is 1 by 4. What to do? We should find the fourth root. This is, if you put the square root, this is square root. And if you put inside 3, that is cube root. Now if it is 1 by 4, this is fourth root. We have to check a number multiplied by itself 4 times should give you 256. What is that number? That is 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 gives 256. So first let us change the negative power into positive power. Okay, power is minus 1 by 4. So to make it plus 1 by 4, we should write the reciprocal of 256. 256 means 256 by 1. Reciprocal is 1 by 256. So when you write the reciprocal, minus 1 by 4 becomes plus 1 by 4. Now let us find the answer for this. What is it? A number which has to be multiplied 4 times to get 256. It is, you will get 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 is 256. 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16 and 16 16s are 256. So the fourth root of 256 is 1 by 4. Okay, the answer for this 256 power minus 1 by 4 is 1 by 4. And we have to multiply this into what? Into 4 square. So this has to be multiplied with 4 square. So what do you put? Into 4 square. What is this number? 4 square. So that means 1 4 and 4 gets cancelled. 4 square means 4 into 4. So 2 4s 1 4 gets cancelled. And what is left? Only 1 4 is left. So this 4 should be the answer. So answer has to be 4, but it is given 1 by 4. So this is false. It is false. Change negative into positive power, and fourth root of 256 means 4. This is 1. The value of this first number is 1 by 4 into 4 square. 4 square means 4 into 4. So we cancel 1 4 and 1 4. We are left with 1 4. Only 4 has to be the answer. But it is given 1 by 4. So it is false. Okay, next. Using the power rule, we have to simplify this. 3 to the power 7 whole power minus 2. 3 power 7 the whole power minus 2. How many exponents are here? 2 powers. We have to change it into 1 power. Use the rule. What is the rule of exponents? Do you remember? To change 2 powers into 1 power, we have to multiply them. 7 2s are 14. Bracket means always multiplication. So plus into minus minus. 7 2s are 14. We should get 3 to the power 14. But it is given 3 to the power 5. So this is false. Next one. The standard form. Standard form of 2 into 10 power minus 4. We studied about standard form, children. What it is? This is in scientific form. 2 into when it is given in the powers of 10. The power of 10 can be positive or negative. When a number into power of 10 is given, this is called scientific form. And this is normally writing a decimal number is called this is an ordinary decimal number. It is called a standard form. So scientific form to standard form. What to do? What does it mean? If the power is negative, then we have to move the point 4 digits to the left hand side. Now just 2 means where is the point? The point is here after 2. If you say 2, the point is a whole number. So the point is at the end of the number. Here is the point. Now you have to move 4 digits to the left hand side because it is negative power. If the power is negative, then we have to move towards left side. How many digits? 4 digits. So we have only 1 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4 digits we have to move. But we have only 1 digit. To make it 4 digits, we have to add 3 zeros. So it becomes 0.0002. So 0.0002. So this answer is true. Understood? If the sign is negative, we have to move the point to the left hand side. And how many digits? 4 digits. We have only 1 digit. We want to make it 4 digits, 4 numbers. So 1 number is there. The remaining 3 numbers we have to put zeros. So it is 0 point. See, now we have 4 digits after the point. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is true. Okay, next, the scientific form of, see, look at this, it's just a decimal number. So it is in standard form. It is the reverse of the previous question. Scientific to standard. Now standard to scientific. When you are writing in scientific form, you should remember the whole number, that is the before the point. You should have the numbers from 1 to 9 only. You cannot have 0 point or you cannot have 10 point, 11 point under 10, 11, 12. Such numbers you cannot have before the decimal point. That is, I think, the whole part. Before the point is called the whole number and after the point is decimal number. And the whole number should be between 1 and 10. That means it can be from 1 to 9. The whole number should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 only. It cannot be 10 and more, and even it cannot be 0. So, but here look at it. It is 123, which is more than 9, more than 9. It should be 9 and below only. So, it cannot be more than 9. So, it is not in standard form. It is in standard form, not in scientific form. So, to change into scientific form, we have to move the digits from here till here. Because from after 1, then only the whole number will become between 1 and 10. Or from 1 to 9. So from here we have to move the point 1 digit, 2 digits. How many digits we have moved? 2 digits. From here we are shifting the point here. We are moving the point here. So we have moved 2 digits. So the power of 10 should be 2. But from right hand side we are moving towards left. Isn't it? Are we going towards left side only? No, towards your left hand side. If you move like this, it is we are moving towards right. If you come back, it is we are moving towards left. When you move towards left, when you move to your left hand side, then the power is positive. The 2 is correct, but it should be plus 2. But it is given minus 2, so it is false. It should be 1.23456 into 10 power plus 2. When you move the digit to the left hand side, the power is positive, but it is given negative, so this answer is false. Okay. Now we'll move on to question number 3. It is evaluate. That means we have to find the value. We have to simplify and find the values. The first one is 1 by 2 the whole cube. We'll take the sums 1 by 1. We'll go to the first one. 1 by 2 the whole cube. What does it mean? As you see the question only we understand. That is, we have to multiply 1 by 2 3 times. 1 by 2 is the base and 3 is the power. That means multiply 1 by 2 by itself. How many times? 3 times. So let us see. 1 by 2 the whole cube means we have to multiply 1 by 2. How many times? 3 times. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. That's all. Just multiply all the numerators and multiply all the denominators. 1 into 1 is 1. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. That is the answer of 1 by 2 the whole cube. Next one is 1 by 2 the whole power minus 5. The first thing, children, you should remember, the negative power, we have to change it into positive power. Then only we can expand. How to change negative power to positive power? Just now we have done in the previous sums. Yes, writing the reciprocal of the base. Base is 1 by 2. What is the reciprocal? 2 by 1. So 2 by 1 the whole power minus 5 becomes plus 5. Okay. 2 by 1 is nothing but 2 only. Or when you divide a number by 1, we get the same number. So multiply this 2 how many times? 5 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Multiply 2 5 times and multiply them. That is your answer. 2 2s are 4. This 4 into next number. 4 2s are 8. 8 into 2 16. 16 into 2 is 32 is our final answer. Next one, minus 5 by 6, the whole power minus 3. So what's the first step? The power has to be positive. So to make it positive, write the reciprocal of the base. What is the reciprocal of minus 5 by 6? Is it plus 5 by 6? Yes? No, because if you change the sign, it is the additive inverse, not the multiplicative inverse. Reciprocal means interchanging numerator and denominator and not the sign. Sign as it is. 5 by 6 becomes 6 by 5. That is the reciprocal of minus 5 by 6. So once you write the reciprocal, the negative power becomes positive. Minus 3 becomes plus 3. What is next? Multiply minus 6 by 5. How many times? How many times? The power is 3. So you have to multiply 3 times. Minus 6 by 5 into minus 6 by 5 into minus 6 by 5. So multiply signs first. You just count how many signs are there. 1, 2, 3. Odd number. If there are odd number of negative signs, answer is minus. Okay, if there are 4 minus signs, answer is plus. If there are 5 minus signs, minus. 6 minus signs, plus. Even number of minus signs plus, odd number of minus signs is minus. Now multiply the numbers. 6 6 are 36. 6 and 6 we have finished. 36. 36 into 6. Multiply. 6 6 are 36. Carry 3. 18 plus 3 is 21. It is 216 by, multiply the denominators. 5 5s are 25. 25 into 5 is 125. So this is the answer for this question. Next one. 2 to the power minus 5 into 2 power 7 divided by 2 power minus 2. Very simple. You are going to use the laws of exponents. Do you remember? If you multiply, if the bases are same, to multiply the exponents, we have to add the powers. And for division, we have to subtract. But what is it? We have to supposed to do the expression inside the brackets first. So we'll complete inside the bracket first. What happens? 2 to the power minus 5 into 2 power 7, multiplying the exponents with the same base. For both the bases, write one base, and to multiply, we have to add the powers. Minus 5 plus 7. We'll write it next step. We'll do the simplification. Minus 5 plus 7 and divide that by 2 power minus 2 as it is we write. Now we'll simplify the first one. 2 to the power. What is minus 5 plus 7? Again, rule of integers. Signs are different. Subtract and put the sign of the greater number. 7 minus 5 is 2. Okay, sign of the greater number is positive. Answer is plus. Divided by 2 power minus 2 as it is. Now multiplication is over. We should do division. Again, the bases are same. Again, laws of exponents using the laws which you've done in the previous video. What is it? To multiply, we have to add the powers. And to divide, we have to subtract the powers. For both the bases, write one base 2 and subtract the powers. First power is 2 minus subtract second power is minus 2. 2 minus, we have to subtract the powers. First power minus second power. Okay. Now remove the brackets. 2 to the power 2 minus into minus. What is minus into minus is plus 2. Minus into minus is plus. So 2 to the power 2 plus 2. What is it? 2 to the power 2 plus 2 is 4. What is 2 power 4? What do you mean by 2 power 4? Multiply 2 4 times. Multiply the base 2 by itself 4 times. Now multiply them. That give you the final answer. Multiply. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8 and 8 2s are 16. So 2 power 4 is 16. This is a simplified answer. Now look at this. It is the next laws of exponent. 2 power minus 1 into 3 power minus 1 divided by 6 power minus 2. What is it? Bases are different, powers are same. And in the previous one what we had? Bases are same, powers are different. So one common base and add the powers for multiplication, subtract the power for division. But here the bases are different, power is the same. So what is the rule? Just multiply the powers. 2 3s are, it becomes 2 3s are 6. Multiply the bases because it's multiplication here. So 2 3s are 6 and one common power, 6 to the power minus 1. So bracket is over. Divided by 6 power minus 2. Actually, this you can write this without bracket only. 6 to the power minus 1 divided by 6 power minus 2. Got it, children? Here bases are different. So multiply, but the powers are same. Since the powers are same, we can multiply the bases. 2 3s are 6 and for both the powers, one common power minus 1. And outside the bracket, we have divided by 6 power minus 2 as it is. Now look at it. What is it? Again, the bases are same. So let us divide the bases. But can we do bases are same and the powers are different? Which law will you use here? Bases are same but the powers are different. So to divide here, this is the law we have to use. Bases are same, powers are different. In that case, to divide, we have to subtract the powers. We have to subtract the powers here. So for both the 6s, 1 6 and subtract the powers. First power minus 1 minus second power is minus 2. So two different laws we are using here. Here bases are different. So multiply them, put one common power. And here bases are same. Started with different bases but same bases, different powers. For division, we have to subtract the powers. So next step, minus 1, remove the bracket. Minus into minus is plus 2. What is it? Rule of integers, rule of addition of integers. Signs are different. Subtract and put the sign of the greater number. 2 minus 1 is 1. Greater number is plus and the sign is plus. So 6 power 1 is, that is multiply 6 one time. Just 6 only. 6 to the power 1 is 6. So dear children, in these three sums, almost we have verified all the laws of exponents. Is verified in these three sums. If you have understood these sums, you will understand the laws of exponents very well. Thank you all for watching. We'll see the rest of the sums in the next video. Thank you.